Qualcomm is developing the technology that helps make it possible. That's just as true for the second major aspect of the invention revolution, connecting everything. 5G will upgrade the human experience at home and across industries as we connect virtually everything. By 2020, analysts estimate that there will be more than 20 billion installed IoT devices around the world, generating massive amounts of data. With access to this kind of information, industries of all kinds will be able to reach new levels of efficiency as they add products, services, and capabilities. The smarter these devices get, the more convenience they offer us, the more opportunity they hold for the businesses that figure out how to build them, connect them, and put the data they gather to good use. In our cities and industries, sensors will generate a steady flow of real-time information. Environmental sensors monitoring air pollution, utility meters tracking water and electricity and gas, manufacturing sensors monitoring the health and safety of their machinery. All these systems will get more productive and efficient as intelligence gets built in. And as the level of machine intelligence grows, computing will need to be distributed across everything and will often take place at the edge, close to where the data is created. We'll see these new capabilities in our homes, where smart devices will enable a new degree of connectivity and intelligence in our entertainment systems, our appliances, and everything in between. They'll control how we charge our electric car. They'll connect to important services in unconventional ways, but intuitive ways. For instance, instead of looking up the local pharmacy's hours, rely on your smart system to anticipate your needs and deliver your prescription when someone gets sick. Sensors are helping us understand our own health. Today, real-time data helps us know more about our cars than our bodies. Onboard computers log everything that happens, and dashboard indicators let you know when something goes wrong. There's no system like that for your health, but that's going to change. For people with chronic medical conditions, advances in mobile technology will be life-changing and even life-saving. But to build this world of billions of connections, we need to solve a few big problems. Designs must be small, they can't use a lot of power or cost a lot of money, and they need to be able to support multiple types of connectivity, since 5G will build on today's already complex ecosystem. Each of these problems is extremely hard to solve on its own. Tackling all of them at the same time requires another level of experience and knowledge altogether. It's more like competing in a decathlon than a single event. Qualcomm has been driving the evolution of this technology for more than 30 years. Above and beyond phones, over 1 billion IoT devices, IoT products have already shipped with our technologies built in. We've built that momentum because we always start with the big, audacious problems that no one else has the desire or capability to solve. One such problem is building a world where 5G works seamlessly with Wi-Fi and previous generations of cellular technology. To address this, we are collaborating with OneWeb as both a technology provider and investor to deliver affordable mobile broadband connectivity literally around the world. This will come through a constellation of more than 700 satellites in low Earth orbit. Qualcomm is designing many of the technology innovations required for the OneWeb satellite network, including the air interface system design, as well as modem hardware and software, reference designs for access nodes on the ground. OneWeb aims to extend cellular and Wi-Fi services through these low-cost terminals, and importantly, users will be able to access the network with standard mobile devices. The goal is to bring internet connectivity to underserved areas around the globe where half the world's population is without internet access and the benefits it brings, such as improved economic growth, health, and education. OneWeb will begin deploying its constellation starting in 2018. Commercial service is expected in the 2019-2020 timeframe. This is how we work together. We work together to connect everyone and everything. All these complex challenges that come with 5G are solved, and as the global standards are set, we'll be able to leverage our expertise along with our scale to help partners and customers commercialize their connected products faster and more cost effectively. Healthcare is a great example. Today, healthcare feels like the one part of our lives that hasn't fully embraced the power of computing. But that's going to change. Mobile health will transform healthcare delivery.